Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to enable or disable split screen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable or disable split screen multitasking on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, then click on settings. In this you can see your system, click on the system, come to the right side, here you will find multitasking, click on that. You can share snap windows. If this option is disabled, you just need to enable this option. After enabling, if your split screen is not working, then you have to update your Windows. Then after updating your Windows, you have to restart your PC, then try again. After doing this, hope you can enable or disable split screen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.